In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create an e-invoice and push it to IRP in Zoho Books. This comprehensive guide is going to walk you through each step in the process, so let's dive right in. First, you'll want to navigate to your Zoho Books dashboard. This is your main hub where you manage all your accounting needs, and from here, we're going to tackle the task of generating an e-invoice. Once you're on the dashboard, the first thing to do is to find and click on the Sales tab. This section encompasses various sales-related tasks, including invoicing, which is exactly what we need. After opening the Sales tab, you'll find an option called Invoices. Click on this, and it's going to take you to a list of all your invoices. This organized list allows you to easily manage and review each invoice. Here, you'll locate the specific invoice you want to work on. For today's example, we're going to focus on invoice number INV0002. Go ahead and click on that invoice. At this stage, the invoice details are displayed. You'll now want to focus your attention on what Zoho Books highlights, which often points to important features or sections that require your input. Clicking on any highlights can streamline the process, bringing you to sections where action is needed or changes can be made. Moving on, you'll reach a point where you'll need to customize fields within your invoice. Zoho Books allows this flexibility, ensuring your invoices meet specific requirements. Look for the option that says Manage Custom Fields and select it. Here you can tailor any field to better fit the billing practices or customer specifications you're working with. Once you've adjusted the custom fields as necessary, it's time to move into the Preferences section. Click on Preferences to fine-tune further options. This area lets you adapt various settings to align with your business operations or client demands more accurately. The final step in our guide is the simplest. To save all the configurations and adjustments you just made, look for the Save button and click on it to ensure everything you've set up or changed is securely recorded. And there you have it. By following these steps, you've successfully managed to create an e-invoice and have it ready to be pushed to the IRP in Zoho Books. This process not only keeps your invoicing current, but also compliant with e-invoicing standards. Each of these steps, tailored to your business needs, ensures that your invoicing is both efficient and effective. Thank you for joining me today, and I hope this guide helps simplify your invoicing tasks.